Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, it's out of the question. It's out of the question. सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता. Second, even though he apologized her. Even though he apologized her. हालांकि उसने उससे माफ़ी मांगी. 3. Only 10 rupees wouldn't be enough. Only 10 rupees wouldn't be enough. सिर्फ 10 रुपए से काम नहीं चलेगा. 4. If you come to me, so I would be happy. If you come to me, so I would be happy. अगर आप मेरी तरफ आते तो मुझे खुशी होती. 5. This talk started to spread like virus. This talk started to spread like virus. ये बात वायरस की तरह फैलने लगी. 6. Only we are left. Only we are left. सिर्फ हम बाकी हैं. 7. Hand me this. Hand me this. मुझे ये देना. 8. Azan is being recited, turn the TV off. Azan is being recited, turn the TV off. Azan हो रही है, TV बंद कर दो. 9. Pray offer because it's the key of success. Pray offer because it's the key of success. नमाज पढ़ा करो क्योंकि ये कामयाबी की कुंजी है. 10. It will come to work in this world and the hereafter. It will come to work in this world and the hereafter. ये दुनिया और आखिरत में काम आएगी. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you must like it, okay? And don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.